Present number 1. Ooh, very light. This is so cute. Oh, I love this.
It's a dinosaur. It's cool.
Oh, he's really soft too, really squishy.
I'm always surprised at how many adults like stuffed animals.
Those little teeth right there and his little hands.
My niece would absolutely love this.
I think a little kid, or realistically a grown woman, would love this as a gift on Christmas morning. Ah!
Yep, it's Tyrannosaurus.
Ooh, this one's a little heavier.
Oh.
Ooh, Kathy Sullivan's book. Oh, I've been wanting to read this.
Kathy was one of the first female astronauts to walk in space, and of course she helped with the release of the Hubble telescope.
Catherine Sullivan is a former president of COSI, so it's so exciting to have her book here at the gift shop.
Oh, Bill Nye wrote a review. That is so cool.
And
This is really cool.
I don't even know what this is.
A wonderful gyroscope.
It spins, I think.
This is a wonderful toy that helps people understand this phenomenon we call inertia.
Yeah, I always thought these were really cool when I was a kid. There's something to having a thing in your hands and interacting with it.
Nope, that doesn't seem right.
It's doing something we call progression right now.
There are instructions in here for people like me who need a little bit of help, so.
All right, dig it up.
Oh gosh, this is heavy. Oh man.
Experience the excitement of discovery like a real paleontologist, Joe would.
The Dig It Up 3D skeleton triceratops, over 12 inches long.
Oh my gosh, they're all berries?
You can find an entire skeleton and put together a triceratops.
So you gotta like dig for dinosaur bones.
This is pretty cool.
You need to have good eye-hand coordination.
This really would be fun to do as a family. If you got some other tools, you could all be working on it together.
Oh, what do we have here? A doll.
She looks like she is ready to explore.
This is awesome. It comes with their own moon rock.
Interesting space-age suit. Must be a suit of the future.
I hate opening stuff carefully.
Every aspiring astronaut needs one of these.
Ooh!
Oh boy.
The primary science lab kit. Big science for little hands.
Comes with some instructions.
What types of things sink and float in water.
Pick one item to smell in each test tube.
Color changing celery.
Do they provide stuff or do we put our own stuff in there and smell it?
Safety glasses. Yeah, baby.
Magnifying glass.
Kids really need to see themselves as scientists, and sometimes they just need to put on a lab coat, put on goggles.
I would totally buy this for the kiddos in my life.
Can somebody give me some liquid?
Everything you need to be a scientist is in this kit. Everything.